Hi Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter. This is a twin flame soulmate reading for those that are in communication, even if it's just a little bit, and you will be coming into union. That is the energy that I channel. So if you're not sure if this reading is for you, I do have another playlist for twin flames and soulmates that are in separation and no contact. So you might want to watch both and see what resonates for you. It is not gender specific, it's a timeless reading and it's only Scorpio energy. Please remember to check the description box below for information on my private services. My details are below. My specials are out on Facebook and Instagram. You can get them there. My links are below. And please like, share and subscribe for me. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers so I can improve my channel for you. So I will really appreciate your support and help on that. And let's take a look, Scorpio, at what's happening. Well, we are in Scorpio season. We've got a blue moon coming up with the sun in Scorpio. So there's a lot of deep energies coming out, and I can clearly see that in your energy as well, Scorpio, being a Scorpio, obviously. And you came through in your own reading here with the death card as well. But let's take a look at what's going on with you. First card that came out was the Ace of Swords. And the Ace of Swords is the Ace of Truth. Your intuition are slicing something open right down to the core to reveal the truth. This is a very strong, very powerful, very deep energy. So you are facing up to some truth here, Scorpio, in regards to your twin flame or soulmate, and maybe having a new beginning with them with the Ace of Swords. Obviously, Aces are new beginnings, but it's new beginnings, truthful new beginnings. And I feel like with this Ace of Swords here, your intuition are revealing some truth to you in regards to your connection with your twin flame or soulmate and having a new beginning with them. A new beginning is definitely here for you. It's on the table, and I feel like you are very much in your mind about it at the moment. But not only in your mind about it, your intuition is revealing something to you here, is revealing some truth that you are facing up to here in regards to this connection. And then obviously with the death card that came out, which is your energy, but it's also, death is about death and rebirth. It's about that rebirth of something, leaving things in the past that obviously is in the past, gone through that transformation, and you are ready to start a new journey here, have a rebirth of this connection, coming towards it with a whole new perspective. I feel coming towards it in a different way, very truthful. There's a lot of truth coming out here for me in this reading for you, Scorpio, and I do feel it's you coming forward with the truth. You might not have been truthful about your emotions in the past, and that could have ended up in love not being reciprocated to you, or you might feel you were not the one that were reciprocating love in the right way. I feel in a truthful way. Yes, you are at the point of making a very big decision, yeah. And again, she's wearing a blindfold, so you have to use your intuition. So whatever you are making a decision on here, Scorpio, you have to make a blindfolded decision. You have to use your intuition, and I can see your intuition coming through very strongly in this Ace of Swords as well. There's a lot of swords on the board, so there's a lot of sharp energy, there's a lot of air energy coming through for you. There's a lot of mental activity going on. But through all of this mind stuff that you are going through, you are using your intuition, and your intuition is revealing something to you in regards to this partnership with your twin flame or soulmate. And I kind of feel with this hourglass here, that time ticking, you know, it's time to make this decision now. It's time for you to really use your intuition and make a decision based on your heart, based on your intuition and your heart here in regards to this connection. And again, there's the Ace of Swords again from a different deck. So in this deck, you are coming to claim a victory. You are coming to claim a victory. A new beginning. You have dropped the armor. Whatever was holding you back in the past that were kind of making you close off your heart and your emotions, you are coming in with a very pure intent. You are not guarded, and you're coming to claim a victory here in regards to a new beginning here with your twin flame or soulmate. So that decision has already been made. You've already made the decision. You are going to go for it. You are going to follow your heart and your intuition here. You are coming forward with the truth. You are coming forward with communication. You're coming in very strong to be victorious here. This person is your ultimate joy and happiness with the sun. And the sun is in Scorpio now, so very interesting. So you are coming through very strong in your own reading here, Scorpio, very strong energy. But the sun is also the ruler planet of Leo. So you might be dealing with a Leo. I do not usually attach other signs to my readings because I channel the energy, not the signs. But I will mention that when I pick up on that energy. So for some of you, you might be dealing with a Leo, and there might be Taurus. There might be Taurus here somewhere in the charts as well, with this Taurus in this card. So just mentioning that, I'm not going to get into the signs, that is just the energy. So this person is your ultimate joy and happiness. There's just nobody else. They make they just rock your world. There's a lot of passion, there's a lot of warmth, there's a lot of beauty, there's a lot of innocence, there's a lot of purity and growth and enlightenment in this connection for you. You absolutely see them as your ultimate joy and happiness, and you are coming to claim a victory with them long term. You don't just want a new beginning here. You want something long term. The sun is something that will not just go away. It will still rise and it will still set. Doesn't matter what happens around it. So this is a card of not only ultimate joy and happiness, but longevity as well. It's got a lot of strength. So there's a lot of strength for you in your emotions towards this person. You want something long-term, something stable, something beautiful with them. You've already made your decision here. You're going to follow your heart. Doesn't matter what your mind is coming up with. You are going to follow your heart and your intuition, and you're going to come forward and claim victory here. With your twin flame or soulmate. I do believe that in the past love wasn't reciprocated for whatever reason, whether that was you withholding emotions or your person, but you may have been withdrawing from this connection because love wasn't reciprocated, whether it was coming from you or coming from your person. I do feel they did not, for some, they did not reciprocate your love. And the only reason I pick up on that, and you are realizing this, your intuition is revealing this to you, it's because you were not truthful about what you want. You were not truthful about how you feel. It might have been, I don't want to say this, Scorpio, but this is what I'm picking up, and I'm just giving you the energies. This might not be for all. You may have approached this connection with a lot of sexual energy. Even though you felt a lot of love, your lust and your desire, sexual desire for this person may have been what you used to come towards them. And they didn't reciprocate that because they wanted something much deeper. They wanted love. And obviously, Scorpios are highly sexual creatures. They are driven by passion, and that may have given the wrong impression. And that may be the reason why it wasn't reciprocated to you, because they wanted something more. But this is not going to be for everybody. All right, but you are coming, and this has been revealed to you, and now you're coming forward with something completely different. You're coming to claim victory here, and you are coming to speak your truth. You're coming to speak your truth. That they are your ultimate joy and happiness, and it's not only physical for you. And then for some of you, that was the one that didn't reciprocate the love. Withholding emotions from your twin flame or soulmate. You are now standing up for what you want and standing up for what you believe in, and you are going to come forward here and be assertive. And this card says, stand up for your beliefs and only say yes if you really want to. So I feel like you are going to stand up for what you want here, Scorpio, and you are coming forward to claim victory, whether you are the one that wasn't reciprocating the love, or whether it wasn't reciprocated to you for whatever reason. You are coming forward and you are standing up for what you want and for what you believe. You are not gonna lose this battle. You're coming for victory here. You're gonna follow your heart, and you're gonna follow your intuition, and you're gonna just go for this ultimate joy and happiness that you feel towards them. I'm gonna leave it there, Scorpio. Remember to check the description box below for information on my private services and get my specials on Facebook and Instagram. My links are below. And like, share, and subscribe for me, please. Want to improve my channel. When I reach 1,000 subscribers, I will really appreciate your help in getting me there, and I will see you in the next video. Namaste, Scorpio.